Good morning, it's Scott Dunner's Garage. How you doing today? We are going to add some rock lights to the Jeep, so stay tuned. Well, between Matt and I, we had two sets of these rock lights in our toolboxes. We ran them both on his JK and my TJ and absolutely loved them. Since getting his JL, he's added a set of these to his JL, and it's time for a set of these to go on my JK. And in order to do that, I'm going to run 8 lights on the Jeep, so let's lay them out. Now each one of the lights has 10 foot of wire to it. However, 10 foot will not get me from the back to the front. And while the lights come with hardware, I won't be using it. I'm going to be using a stainless steel sheet metal self-tapping screw to go into the bottom of the body. It's a double panel, so I don't have to worry about them coming through. And I can't get a nut on the back side anyways. So at this point, I think I've grabbed everything I need to crawl underneath the Jeep to do this. I've got a drill for drilling the hole for the self-tapping screw. Yeah, I know, self-tapping. Driver for installing that self-tapping screw. Some cord wrap, the lights, plenty of zip ties, heat shrink, soldering iron, solder and a lighter. So my first light's gonna go behind the mount for the rocker guards. Alright, first light's in. I've ran the wire from the first light to the second. I've measured out where I'm going to splice it in. Cut. Now let's see if this little plan of mine works. I'm going to shorten the second light lead, solder to that one, and then take a third wire to the back. There's 2 extra wires hanging down. Go to the reverse light or backup light. So I'm going to add those in while I'm doing this. Now to put it into the aux box main panel. Again, the little gauge wires, that's the rock lights. The larger is the backup lights. There you go, last wire. Let's close this up. And what was supposed to be a 2, maybe 3 hour job, we're about 5 hours into it. And a lot of that issue was running this backup lights along with the rock lights so that it was all one loom. And we're gonna call this a wrap. We'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. You have yourself a blessed day.